Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to special appliance round. We have here in this corner, we have the Madman Christian.
Kids.
Yeah. We have in this corner the Dirt Devil sucking vacuum
Dun, dun, dun.
of suckingness. Okay, everybody to the center of the ring. Get in the center of the ring. All right, you two. Now listen. I want a nice clean match. And by the way, I pay the ref off, so don't worry about fouls or technicalities. That's for you. No illegal sucking. Fight. And we have a nasty big boot by Bad Christian.
Oh no!
And there he is. He's going, giving the sucking Dirt Devil. Ooh, he just armed the sucking Dirt Devil.
Oh no!
Oh, he's bringing him up a chokehold. And he's bringing him up into a suplex.
Oh no! What's this?
Oh no, wait, what's this? He's gotten out of the arena. I hit him with the microphone. Oh my goodness, the microphone got thrown at the sucking Dirt Devil. And he gets out the equalizer.
Oh no, the croquet!
And he gives him the croquet hit. Ooh, right in the rear. Why has the ref gone in to stop this? What's the ref going to do about this? How can the ref be allowing this?
Oh no!
And he brings up the sucking Dirt Devil by the neck. Oh, and a backhand slap. Ooh, yeah. And his guy goes go with the stomping.
Yeah. Oh no!
Uh-oh. What's this? What's back is doing? Oh, right into the equalizer in the microphone.
Oh no, what's this? Tag team! Oh no, the referee! Oh no!
The referee beat so utterly.
Oh no, it kind of went sticky burr. Oh no! Christian's down. Oh no! Yeah, it's tagged. It's heavy anyway.
Whoa!
Whoa! Hold on, wait, back up. Wow! I want to try that.
Oh, Matt Christian's got the ref's condor.
Wow, that is awesome. That was awesome. All right, they're both taking a piece. Oh no! He's got the cable. Oh no, what is he doing? He's dragging it through the cable. Oh, it's heavy.
Whoa!
Oh no. That was horrible.
The sucking vacuum just doesn't stand up prayer against the mad ref and the condor.
Oh no, what's this? The screwdriver! Ready? He's gonna set up the judgment plank. The beheading ceremony. Oh, okay, that's good. The beheading ceremony. Tag team. Christian's holding you down by the wire. Oh, and a deadly blow through the neck. But is he still breathing? Help me! No, he's still going. Ooh. I gotta do counting. Oh no, he's cutting off his wires. Oh goodness. You gotta do
1, 2.
Oh, it kicked out. Oh no! It's still living. Both of them are kicking. Ready? He's gonna get ready for David. And what's this? Executioner's blow. Oh, what is this? One more time. Can it be? Oh no, here goes another one.
1, 2, 3 strikes. Out of here.
Ding, ding, ding. Finish it. Dun, 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 dun. fatality. This is the lowest kick in.
Whoa!
Wow. Oh my goodness, it's sucking me out of it.
Watch out, David, you're gonna get it all over you.
Oh no, the dust to the face.
Those are your new clothes.
What? Dang, that's what it did? Wow. Oh goodness, that was awesome. Alright, I'm gonna get your microphone.
And, well, how do you feel about the match? What have you got to say?
Oh, he didn't stand a chance ever since I defeated his partner, the fan. And he didn't know what was coming. But what I knew is that my friend, my tag team partner David, me and him still hold the tag team championship. And this fan will never come back and earn the title again. Thank you very much.
Did you have any worries? Any concerns that you might have lost?
Oh no. I was scared when he was doing the whirlwind suplex, and I thought I couldn't escape until I had to tag his hand. Thank goodness.
What do you got to say to your fans out there?
Oh, you change your appliances to Shark. They're not evil. Also, your vacuums go bad, call us. We'll call you. 1-800-Christian will crush your stuff. And you want to reach the David thing? 1-800-David Smash. No more talking, ref.
All right, there you have it. He wasn't worried. And him and his tag team partner was assured of victories beforehand. Stay tuned for more to Seasparkles Corner for more exciting destruction and more matches. Feel free to subscribe. Feel free to share. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. As always, the fun never ends in the world of smart, even if it means destroying a vacuum. So, thank you for watching. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. Bye, everybody.
I should